Welcome back to the Crypto Nest. Quick update on AGIX. AGIX, I did get some here, and then I did get some here, and now we are in a decision point what AGIX is going to do. We can see that if we draw some trends line, we have this descending trend line, and we have this uptrend trend line that create like a huge triangle. That usually it's a continuation pattern, and then we were supposed to do this blue count A, B, C, and ideally we would have got here, but we just stopped, looks like maybe here, and then that in other few crypto coins that maybe it's a beginning of another impulsive wave. So this would have been a 1 and a 2, and we're actually working on the third wave. So the first time I got some magic was here, because not honestly because it was a very good point strategically, but just because I wanted to get some in AI, because I didn't have any holding into it, and it's more a long-term investment. In fact, these coins that I got accumulated more, it's more for long-term. I just put some pocket money in. I don't find it's not time to get some gains, so, and up to now, I have gains in all of my purchase, but this is more for a long run. Or if we really substantially go higher, then maybe I will think about it, but I don't think so. Okay, so let's go back to our work. So I said maybe this is a new impulsive that it starts. So it's a 1 and a 2, and this should be the third one. Now, honestly, I honestly don't like to do those kind of things, but just to have an idea, you could also say that okay, so this was the first wave 1. So let's do a retracement to see if that it's actually good. So I go there here. That was the top. So we retrace a little bit lower, which is still okay, but borderline. But wave 2, as long as it doesn't retrieve more than 100%, is still considered to be a wave 2. So this we can say it's a valid wave 2. Now, if I really start to go micro counting, I could say that actually maybe this was the wave 1. Wave 1. And that this maybe was the wave 2. And this maybe it's the wave 3. So, but that's really micro counting. It's like just for fun, you see, to see how well Fibonacci work. So let's do validation for this wave 2. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Okay, so wave 1, this is the beginning of the first wave, and then it ended up to be a little bit lower than 0.883, but then he recovered quite fast, so which is allowed. Okay, now, and actually it's funny to see that he retraced as much as for this wave 2 than this wave 2. Now I'm going to make an extension to see what would be the ideal target for the wave 3. Okay, so we said 1.618, and then he actually reached this level. It's actually here now, and now it's losing his price action, if you want, is making a pullback. So now, we did reach the ideal target for this third wave, micro counting again, and then now I'm going to make the retracement with this beginning of third wave to the end of the third wave. And again, if we keep doing this micro counting, price should go in this area, and we are actually in this area. So now this is perfect. So if we take for granted that maybe this is the end of the wave 4, So I can add here wave 4. Now I can make an extension maybe. So I'm going to take the beginning of the wave 1 and I'm going to add this length to the end of the wave 4, and the ratio it's 1 to 1. Actually, you just have to do a little bit higher than the wave 3. So I'm going to draw a box like this. Okay, so this is the minimum requirement to complete the 5th wave. But you know, more likely we're going to go a little bit higher. So this would be the minimum requirement for the 5th wave. Let me do again and just for fun, if we actually reach the 1.618, what would be the level? So this would be the 1.618 level if we really have a strong impulse on the upside. So I'm going to put the 5th wave here as well, and then we will see in a short future the price action is it going to just do a little bit more and then retrieve, or go make a higher price. Let's remember that here also we have another important resistance. So as I said, the important resistance, I'm going to put them in dot lines. So actually this would be very bullish, because if you can also make a higher price here, it would be amazing. So let's remember that this 5th wave, I know now it starts to be complicated, but it's only the first wave of this 3rd wave in orange. So no, we have much higher prices to reach. But this is again to do micro counting. I don't really use it, but you can see that it can help you to have an idea on the price targets area potentially. Okay, so let me go back maybe on the 1 day to see the indicators. So once again, this is a new coin, so we don't have many data to relay on it. So we said we did our first wave 1, and then maybe now we completed this wave 2. We're not sure, or maybe it's going to be a very long wave 2, and then if I can start to move this downtrend and make a huge side triangle. So we will see how it goes with that, and maybe actually eventually it's going to break down. We don't know. So the only thing we can say for sure now that we break out this downtrend line, and then we did reacted on it, and maybe we're going to make a new higher high. We don't know. We can say that the RSI it's in a decline, and the momentum MACD it's bearish as well. We're regaining a little bit of momentum, so maybe we can make a nice recovery in price soon. That's to be determined. Okay, so this is all for today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And any question, drop them in the comments. Have a good day.